What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at some quick winery information and how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous chateaux, one of the most famous wines in the Pomerol appellation of the Bordeaux wine region of France. We are on the right bank, of course, with a Merlot dominant wine, as is often the case, or always the case in Pomerol, but with a 70% Merlot and a relatively high 30% Cabernet Franc proportion. This is a 4.5 hectare estate, 11 acres, so it's small like it is in Pomerol, and Château Hosanna belongs to Jean-Pierre Moueix, together with Petrus. Hosanna actually faces Petrus. Hosanna was created when Jean-Pierre Moueix purchased Château Certan and split it in two parts, Château Hosanna and Château Certan Marzell. So you've heard me say it a few times. Château Hosanna is how you should pronounce the name of this wine. In French, you do not pronounce the H at the beginning. It is silent, so do not say Hosanna, but rather simply Hosanna. Just pretend the H is not there. Château Hosanna. Château Hosanna. If you want to learn more about Bordeaux wines, pronunciation of all Bordeaux wines, but also learning things, many things about wine, you are on the right channel. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.